Hello and welcome back to Stephanie Traditional Home for its family get together for our weekly Thursday video. Today I will be doing one DIY and it will be a wreath for my front door. Here you can see that I have some berries that I've changed from red to gold, and some ornaments that I've changed from gold to blue. And I'm going to finish that process now. Before I continue, welcome to those who are not subscribed. Would you please at least like the video today? Don't forget to like and comment. This will help the channel. And if by chance you like what you see, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will not miss any of Traditional Homes presentations. Again, thank you. Here is one of the bowls that I will be using in the DIY today. We're going to start off our DIY with this garland already in place. I need to fluff it out just a little bit more. We will be using our hot glue. All right, as you can see, I have started. I will be alternating the blue and the gold on the wreath. Let's see, can you see it a little better? The gold and the blue. I'll do one. I have the glue gun, but I am doing it with the hooks to see how that does. Then you do the blue one. I saw this in one of the stores, like Home Goods. It wasn't Home Goods. And although this is out of my comfort zone, I thought, it does look nice. So I'm going to try at least to do it. And it alternated, had a row around it of one color and another color going around the circumference. And I said, that looks good. So I'm going to try it at least to see if I like it after I do it. All right. We've started those two. And I'll be back and show you the finished product. Okay, here is the finished product. I had to improvise. I didn't have enough of the blue. So I made it up as I went, and I think it came out pretty nicely. I will hang it on the door so you can get a better look. Okay. Let me cut this light off. There's a glare. I have the door open, of course. Then I'll step out on the porch and close the door. Will you like and give me a comment about how you think the wreath came out? Okay, when I went outside and closed the door, I couldn't see it myself, so I know you would not have been able to see it. Have a touch up here. I'll just go around the circumference and let you see how I did it. And I'll just straighten it up. Thank you all for watching. Until next Thursday, Merry Christmas, everyone.